workout for core and for glutes. So it should be a little bit more challenging than my first mini band workout, and it's specifically for your core. So as I mentioned in the first video, you can get, I think I got 5 mini bands. My mom bought them for me. She was very nice to do so. And you can get about 5 mini bands with different resistances for about $15 or $20 on Amazon. That's what we're going to be using today. So we're going to start with the Deadbug. I suggest doing, maybe just trying a medium band to start, and then if it's not challenging enough, you can increase the resistance. So we're going to place a mini band on our feet and then come down onto our back. You're going to bring your hands and your feet up into the air, and you're going to drop opposite limbs down. So the main thing that you want to focus on when you're doing a Deadbug is to make sure that you're pushing your low back into the mat and you're not letting your pelvis tip upwards like this. You want to really make sure that you're pushing your low back and you have equal pressure from your low back to the floor the whole time. So you don't want the pressure to lessen as your leg comes down. All right, so we're going to do 12 on each side for a total of 24. So that's 1, 2. You'll also notice that you need to have your feet a certain distance apart in order to keep the band on. So that's good because it's going to keep your knees out wide, which is great. This is 9 and 10. You're also going to be fighting the band with this knee, and it's going to be pulling up into your chest. So that's going to help to keep your low back down as well. I believe this is 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, should really be feeling the burn, 19, 20, 4 more, 3, 2, and 1. All right, nice job. All right, next we're going to do a band walk on the spot. So you're going to place a band around your ankles. You can choose a medium or heavy band, I would say. Place it around your ankles. And we're going to do 24 again, where we're just taking one step to the side. Only come in as far as you can, keeping resistance. If you come in all the way, then the band is always going to be moving around on you. Let's do 24. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Keep your core nice and tight. 22 and 24. All right, so you should feel a burn in your glutes from that one. I think I'm going to go up in resistance for the next one. All right, next we're going to do a mountain climber. So you can place the band on around your feet and then come into a plank position. Oh, it's kind of hard to keep it on your feet. All right, so we're going to come into a plank position. Then we're going to do a mountain climber. It's going to be slow. We're going to do 24, and you're just going to bring your knee up to the side. All right, so plank position, knee up, and switch. 4, 6, make sure that the tailbone is tucked under. 8, and we're pushing into our hands to arch the upper back. 12, 14, 20, 22, 24. All right, nice job. All right, grab a drink and take a break, and then we'll start back at the top. All right, we've got the second set of Deadbug. So you can place a band on your feet, come down onto your back on your mat, bring your hands and feet in the air. Really think about engaging your core and pushing your belly button down towards your spine, keeping equal pressure from your back to the floor the whole time. And we'll do 24. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, halfway, 14, 16, 18, 20. Make sure your low back is keeping equal pressure on the floor. Last 2. Nice job. All right, next one is the band walk on the spot. So we're going to place the band on around our ankles, and we're going to do a band walk on the spot. So bring one leg up to the side, tap, making sure not to come in all the way so that the band doesn't fall. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24. And then we've got the mountain climber. So you can place the band on your feet, come into a plank position. I'm going to come onto my fists because my wrists are a little bit sore. So coming into a plank position, making sure the tailbone is tucked under, you're pushing into your hands so that your upper back is arched. And try not to let the low back sink down as you work through the set. All right, so come up into a plank and we'll bring knee up to elbow. That's 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24. All right, nice job. All right, we've got our last set of Deadbug. So you can place the band on your feet, come down onto your back, hands and knees in the air, and we'll go for 24. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. 4 more. 3, 2, 1. All right, nice job. Grab a heavier band if you want for the band walk, and then place it around your ankles. And we'll go for 24. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24. All right, we've got the last set, which is mountain climbers. So you can put the band on around your feet, come into a plank position, come up into the plank, and we'll lift our knees for 24. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24. Whew, all right, nice job. Grab a drink and take a break, and then we'll do the second superset.